Grammarly is an online interactive tool that allows you to check your documents for spelling and grammar errors, as well as check for plagiarism. In this video, I'll show you how to access Grammarly and use some of its features. You'll first need to sign into the Microsoft Office 365 suite. All Cambrian students have access to the Office Online Suite through their MyCambrian email address. This means you need to ensure you have your MyCambrian email set up before you begin. You can find instructions on how to set up your MyCambrian email on the Student tab of MyCambrian. Once on your Student tab, scroll down to the Cambrian IT portal, about halfway down the page. You can find your email address at the very top section of the portal. You can also find instructions to help you set up your account further down in the portal. It's the second document in the Resources section. Now, if you're still having trouble setting up your account and need further assistance, you can contact the IT Help Desk. Once you've set up your MyCambrian email, you'll be able to access the Office 365 suite online. Start by visiting www.office.com. Please note, if you are using a MacBook computer, you'll need to use a Google Chrome browser, not Safari. Once you get to this page, click Sign In. You'll be able to sign in here using your MyCambrian credentials. That includes your MyCambrian email address, as well as the password you selected during the setup process. Once you've logged into Office, click on the 9 dots in the upper left-hand corner to access your dashboard. It will show you a list of all the apps you can access. Grammarly should appear on the list. If you can't see it, click the All Apps link. You may need to scroll to the bottom of the list in order to find Grammarly. Click on Grammarly to open the app. The best way to use Grammarly is as a revising and editing tool. You can use it to check your completed documents for grammar, spelling, and other writing errors. Please note that the Grammarly app only works with Word documents. Other file types, such as PDFs, cannot be uploaded. In order to work on a document, you must first upload the file from your computer. You can upload a document by clicking Upload and selecting a document from your computer. Every time you open a new document, a menu will appear to let you set goals for editing. For example, you can set it to make sure your document is formal and for an academic setting. This menu can be accessed at any time by selecting Goals from the right-hand menu. Once you set your goals, you can now explore all the suggestions the app is making regarding your document. The underlined suggestions are color-coded to match the right-hand menu. You can click on individual suggestions to see why the change is suggested, and then click on the highlighted green text if you want to make the change in your document. Remember, this is a tool and a guide, but you don't have to change everything it's telling you to. Make sure you read and understand the suggestions to make informed choices about editing your document. Grammarly can also check your document for plagiarism. In order to access this feature, click the plagiarism icon at the bottom of the right-hand menu. Grammarly will then search the internet and show you any similarities between your document and what it has found online by listing the websites here. It will also give you a score in the form of a percentage to show you how much of your document is possibly plagiarized. Once you're finished editing your document, you can download it back to your computer with the changes you made by opening the left-hand menu and selecting Download. Make sure you save a copy to your computer. If you need assistance or you're having difficulty using one of Grammarly's features, you can access help by clicking the support link at the bottom of the dashboard on the main page. From here, click Tips and Tutorials. On this page, you'll find a number of articles that can teach you how to use Grammarly's features and learn more about other features that Grammarly offers. As you can see, Grammarly is an excellent tool to use for help with revising and editing your work before handing it in. Happy writing!